Okay, let's solve the Renshaw Monday 1. And the question is, you have a existing memory address here and you have existing data, and this contain 4 word 0 to word 3, and these are the data, and this is the memory address. What you have to do, you have to execute this line of code, and you have to tell me what will be the appearance of this memory block. Okay, let's solve it. Pretty simple. Okay, if you segmented all the instruction, MIPS instruction, we can have 3 types of instruction here. The first one is the load instruction, the second one is immediate instruction, and the third one is the store instruction. The load and the store are related to the memory, and these are the register operation. And here again, the memory block. The address start from the 0 to C, and these are 4 words. Okay. The first instruction here is load save register 0. So offset 4 base 0. That means you have to add this base with the offset. You have to store, you have to load the value of memory address 4 into register S0. For example, as all of you know, we have 32 register in our MIPS register set, and here I put only just 5 of them, 2 temporary register and 3 save registers. Okay, so once you execute this instruction, memory address 4, F2, F1, AC, and 07, supposed to load into S0 location, and here is it. And the next instruction is again load the value of memory address C into save register 1. Come to the memory address C, and the value is 40F30788, and load it to the register 1. Okay, that's the load. Load from memory to the register. Well, now we will do the add instruction. No memory operation is required, so within the register set. What I tell the processor to do, add immediate, save the result to temporary 0, and the value of S0 with 3. So what you have to do, the meaning of this instruction, so the value of S0, and you need to add 3 and then store it to the temporary 0 register. So what is in S0? Let's go to the S0. This is 7. Okay, so one you add this, and you have to store it to T0, right? Here is T0. So one you add the value of S0, that means 07. If you add 3, it become here. And the same thing is if you add S1 minus 8. So what is S1 here? Here is S1. The last bit is 88. If you minus 8, so you will get this result here, and you have to store it in T1. Okay, so these are the operation. So whatever the value of S1 and S0, just add 3, store it to a T0, minus 8, and store it to T1. Okay, that's it. Pretty simple. And this is the final part. So you load from memory to register, do some arithmetic operation, and finally you again need to store the value to the memory address. And this is the instruction to tell the processor to store the value contained temporary 0 register into the memory address C. So what is in the T0? So here is the T0. this value F2, F1, SC, and 0A. So just take the value and store it here. Okay. Again, the last instruction is store the value of T1 into memory address 8. What is T1 here? This is T1. Put the value to here, the word 2. That's it. And this is the answer of your assignment. I think you guys understand this. Most of you already write down this assignment very well and precisely. In next class, we will study addressing mode. See you. Bye.